What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lady Goat. I'm coming at you guys with another reaction video, man. Now, in today's video, it's gonna be dog amazes people by running on water. Now, I'm telling you, bro, dog spelled backwards. That's G-O-D, man. It's crazy. They running on water. It's crazy, bro. We're gonna get into this video.
Hello, everyone. This is your daily dose of internet.
Let's see. Let's see. What the hell, bro? Hold on. Am I tripping? Bro, the dog just ran on water, bro. Like, what?
There was netting on the pool that made it look like this dog ran on top of the water.
Oh, I was about to say, like, I was running on water. You tripping? So something bad happened.
This cat is absolutely disgusted with his baby.
Bro, what is wrong with people, bro? This man is just, bro, he the definition of, what they call it, nutmeg? I don't know. Come on.
This cat is absolutely disgusted with his baby.
Why you looking like that? Yo, why you looking like that? Like, man, really?
The United States Marines use what looks like a giant washing machine to train for rollovers in a vehicle.
They just do anything now.
This guy can do some incredible bird sounds.
The American robin. The goldfinch. The western meadowlark. The common loon.
Bro, that...
The house finch.
Yo, man is talented.
Babe, you know the garbage needs to go down tonight. You hear me? Keith! Keith!
Beer belly having ass, the boy.
A pilot told this airport to dim down the lights because they were too bright.
Tower, are you able to reduce the runway lights, please?
Oh yeah, he tripping. He tripping. Talking about reduce the runway.
Thank you much.
Hey.
This is a single-celled organism called a diatom. They are interesting because their cell walls are made of silica, which makes them the only organism that are made of glass. They live in oceans and rivers and lakes and produce 20 to 30% of the world's oxygen.
Dang, what his name was again? Diatom? So now whenever I stand in front of the TV, I can say, you know, I'm related to, let me see the name again. Make sure I'm not saying it wrong.
Cell walls are made of silica, which makes them the... This is a single-celled organism called a diatom.
Diatom. So when my girl say you not made of glass, I'm gonna say, hey man, I'm related to a diatom, man. You know, literally.
They are interesting because their cell walls are made of silica, which makes them the first produces about 6 to 9% of the world's oxygen. To 9%. To put that into perspective, the Amazon rainforest produces about 6 to 9% of the world's oxygen.
You over there punching a leaf.
Here are some videos of me feeding squirrels that come by my house.
So one with rabies bite you.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon.
Yeah, that man too brave. I couldn't do that, man. Some things probably will try to bite me. I don't know. I'd be paranoid. But yeah, man, that's the end of that video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'm out. Peace.